Good morning to all. I'm Gurpreet Kaur, your physical education teacher. Today we will discuss about athletics. Athletics is a group of sporting events that involves competitive running, jumping, throwing and walking. The most common types of athletics competitions are track and field road running, cross country running and race walking. Organized athletics are traced back to the ancient Olympics Games from 776 BC. Athletics helps to improve their training and ultimately reach their goals in sports competition. In fact, Olympic athletes and coaches have identified the key mental skill and strategies involved they associated with their success and enjoyment. Regulating emotions, teaching to relax before and during competition, setting effective goals, building confidence through positive thinking, learning to focus attention, developing pre performance routines. Importance of athletics. Physical education is a component of education that challenges students by providing opportunity to attain the skills and knowledge to be physically active as a part of a healthy lifestyle. Important role of athletics in schools. Athletics has gained significant importance at educational institutions. Talented athletes may gain entry into higher education through athletic scholarships and represent their institution in athletics conferences. As a result, athletics now plays a significant part in providing routine physical exercise. The value of athletics in school is significant and cannot be overloaded. It has a profound impact on individuals, schools, and communities. Athletics is powerful because it can bridge gap, bring people who otherwise might not interact together, and provide opportunities not available elsewhere. See several of the key benefits of having an established and successful athletics program at our school. Coaching career and relationship opportunities. Many young students dream of one day playing sports professionally and grow up regarding stars, athletes as their heroes. Through very few students go pro, many continue to value athletics for a lifetime. This is often because playing a sport provides opportunities that nothing else can, even opportunity outside of athletics. Top tier athletes can receive scholarship to attend college and continue their athletic and as professional career. Some students would not be able to attend the college otherwise. This opportunity is life alerting for the small percentage of students it's available to because a college education influences almost every aspect of life after graduation. Coaching is just one terrific way to stay involved. Many successful coaches today were once average players with a passion for and understanding of their game to spare. Some students might also realize their strength in sports management or sports medicine as a result of school athletics. Athletics can also provide opportunities through relationship. Players on a team often grow close and form lasting bonds. Bonds that can support students well beyond high schools or college. Staying connected can also afford people jobs and mentorship opportunities, or it could simply provide them with lifelong friends. Students' motivation. The key to motivation young athlete is to point out their successes, encourage them to improve, and teach them needed skill. The athletes can serve as a powerful academic motivator for all athletes. Motivation not only to perform at a certain academic standard, but also to stay out of trouble. There is a reasonable chance that they will be suspended for all or part of an upcoming game by their coach and school administration. Next is essential life skill. Athletics teach students essential skills that they will use throughout their lives. First is efforts, determination, self discipline, teamwork, time management. Efforts. Efforts can overcome many obstacles on and off the field. Students learn to apply themselves to challenges and always do their best through sports. Give your all, no matters what, and always believe in yourself. Determination. It is the preparation you put into becoming a better player before the game is played that ultimately determines how well you will play. Strength and endurance training, individual practice. Preparation is key to succeeding in anything. If you work hard to prepare, you will achieve. Next is self discipline. Self discipline is the ability to maintain and carry out the role coaches have assigned you within a game plan. Stay on task to get the job done. Next is teamwork. Teamwork involves working with others to achieve a goal. Working with others is an essential part of life and something to learn to do well and cooperate to avoid problems and reach goal. Time management, you must be well balanced and learn to juggle all aspects of your life or you will not be able to fulfill every expectations you have on yourself and placed on you by others. Thank you and have a nice day.